Alright, welcome to Shark Conductor Mailroom. We're continuing the the wash-house base plans, profile drawings, central vehicle washing facilities. This was a proof for public relations, distributed unlimited, Department of Defense, and USC. I read USC sometimes. I haven't read them all, but I've read like 10 of them, you know. Alright, this is Specs and TAC. It's NASA software. They usually use Army Corps Engineering for drawing. It doesn't do drawings, but it's like ASTM, ASW, API, like code writer for they'll write up the scripts and everything. This is financial management and assistance. This is if you want to spread technology about your base. This is Specs and TAC over the software and the masters. The central vehicle facility washing for track facilities is not in any of the category codes on any of the masters. So what do you do when you make a base? In U.S. Air Force Program Management, which we have on the website, you compete with architectural and corps awarded U.S. Corps Engineering construction contracts. How to obtain construction contacts with the U.S. Corps Engineering. Research and development, information for inventors, protect your rights. Then we have Department of the Military Handbook 1000, which goes over the Navy NFG's National Facility Guidelines. We're going to be writing a emergency pre-prep grant and a book going with the business reply, defensive supply, full supply center. The back will be marked with that, and a standard improvement proposal with notes and for the charter conductor hazmat material programs. Washington Building Building Design Guidelines and vendors. We might become a vendor after this. Navy binding. For buildings building solicited list of drawings, instruction, bidders, proposers, award presentation sealers, contract clauses, Davis-Bacon Act. There's a list of the NFGs, some of them. I have this book printed out, but you see like... and then you can order books from them. We got a permit for the Department of Army. You know, a 5-star general. His name is Christopher Chris. I do respect National Design and Career Documentation for Navy Facilities. Alright, we got printed cost of doing financial administration, U.S. Corps Engineering, architectural engineering, contracting, and U.S. Corps command officers for their codes for engineering command. And those are facilities such as like Virginia Norfolk, which has a railroad of its own. Alright, we're going to take you out of that for a minute. And we're going to explain our base. There's some base photos over here. I'm going to be using these to like teach you. Alright, these are profile drawings. Alright, you can't do shit without a railroad base without a train, dude. So trains, I'm designing trains right now. So just remember, that's the top shit out right now. Alright, over here. Alright. Let's do this. Flip that down. We're going to do track facilities. These will be the spread outs of the tracks. I'm going to put 3 different folders. Label them with... This will be forward page, reverse page, above, which would be the arrow, left to its left, right to its right, and down and it's underground. Alright, so you got your track vehicle support. In the central vehicle washing facility, it uses a it uses an open door roof, open door housing. So it's just a roof and then some pilers, and then this would serve as a service road, or we can take the track in right here, and notice this gives you the 56.5 gauge, 2 4.25 inches ties, X minimum, 3 2.25, 2.5, 2 to 1 slope, 8 minus, 3 and 1 slope, top ballast, sub ballast, compacted subgrade slopes and cuts. So there's our track. Okay, here's the slope off to the side, and then you'd have your beach. Like, okay, they slightly every 9 they move down a degree. So when you're in a rail yard, we're going to show the rail yard is track 1, track 2, track 3. Whether we take this over top of it, this is if you want the roof over your track, roof over the track, and then we'll show you what's underneath there. But okay, so we're doing a track facility, possibly open door roofing. All right, talking about tanker cars, we're gonna put that on track, and it's gonna be a tanker car wash house cleanup base. So we now have this on top of our track, you know. All right, on this track, you show track would go this way. This way is called Panero basing, or Pritchard basing, where it runs perpendicular with the rail, and then this would be Panero basing, where it runs on the side parallel with the rail instead of perpendicular. All right, here's our trench box made out of a drawing. You go down the hall, you're in the underground of tankage storage. All right, this is above ground. You're climbing up the ladder. You have your unloading devices, hoses and stuff. So just on the side, it is kind of a Pritchard Panero barn, but it is also it's also our wash house to wash these tanker cars. These tanker cars right there. All right, and then we'll peel off the next layer of tape. Okay.